My first time being in China was in 2006. At that time, my parents pursued their higher education in China. They brought me with them. After spending 8 years in China, I went back to Kazakhstan. At that moment, I understood that China, after all, is my second homeland. One of my favorite Chinese holidays is the Mid-Autumn Festival. One of the best parts of the Mid-Autumn Festival is the mooncakes. During the Mid-Autumn Festival, we would always gather together as a whole family and eat the mooncakes together. As we know right now, with the development of the Belt and Road Initiative, China is bringing rapid progress and innovations towards its countries. In my experience, throughout these years, China has really had a great positive impact towards the Kazakh development. Their knowledge in building the railway system, the bridge system, is very deep and profound. So right now in Kazakhstan, a lot of Chinese companies are building the railways, are helping us to build the railways for us. This year, I fulfilled my Chinese dream. I got accepted by one of the best universities in China. I got accepted by Chینی. With knowledge gained in China, I hope that in future I can share and apply the gained knowledge and experience to further improve and develop